Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Today, we're making flavorful vegan collard greens that are perfect as a side dish. First, give your collards a good rinse to remove any dirt or grit. Then, lay the leaves flat, remove the thick stems, and roll them up tightly. Now, slice them into beautiful 1-inch ribbons. This helps them cook evenly and makes them easier to eat. This foundational prep work ensures our greens are clean and ready for cooking. To create that rich, savory flavor, we'll use a few simple yet powerful ingredients. Olive oil provides a great base for sautéing our aromatics, like the finely diced yellow onion and minced garlic, which are essential for depth. Vegetable broth will be our liquid for simmering, while apple cider vinegar and smoked paprika bring a tangy, smoky note. A little red pepper flake adds a gentle warmth without overpowering. Now, let's start building our flavor. Heat your olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add the diced onion and let it gently sauté until it becomes wonderfully soft and translucent, usually taking about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, incorporate your minced garlic, smoked paprika, and red pepper flakes. Cook for just a minute more, stirring constantly, until you can smell those incredible aromas filling your kitchen. But be careful not to burn the garlic. Once your aromatics are fragrant, it's time to add the star of the show, your collard greens. Stir them thoroughly into the pot. Don't worry if they seem to overflow, they'll wilt down quickly. Now, pour in the 2 cups of vegetable broth, making sure most of the greens are covered. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat, cover the pot, and let it cook for about 45 to 60 minutes until the greens are incredibly tender. Once your greens are beautifully tender after simmering, give them a taste. This is the moment to adjust your salt and pepper to perfection, ensuring every bite is just right. Now, stir in the 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This adds a crucial tangy brightness that really lifts all the flavors, balancing the richness. Serve these amazing vegan collard greens hot and enjoy their comforting, soulful taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.